Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
XPS is Microsoft's page description format, similar to PDF in presentation and layout. Many readers and printers prefer PDF for universal compatibility and archiving. You may need to convert XPS to PDF when sharing with clients, printers, or mobile devices. Conversion preserves fonts, images, and layout for reliable printing. File sizes can vary, and files larger than 15 MB might need a dedicated converter. This guide explains built-in methods, online tools. Open the XPS file in XPS Viewer, Edge, or another XPS-capable reader. Choose Print from the File menu and select Microsoft Print to PDF as the printer. Set paper size, orientation, and quality before printing. Confirm the suggested file name and choose the folder where you will save the PDF. Click Print and wait for the PDF to generate in your chosen folder. This built-in method works well for single files and simple layouts without installing extra software. For many files, use a batch converter or command line tool such as mu PDF Mutal. A typical command is mutal draw o output, PDF input, XPS to convert one file quickly. Script a loop to convert 50 or more files in a batch on Windows or Linux. Commercial converters offer options for OCR, compression, and metadata handling when needed. Avoid uploading sensitive documents to online converters when files exceed 15 MB or contain private data. Use local tools for speed, privacy, and automation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.